I'm Laura.
I'm Troy.
Welcome to Foulmouth Gardens. What better time to do a duck update than in the middle of a heavy passing summer storm? There they are now. All walking into the pen. Oh, their pen is going to be drenched. Boo. As you can see, they're not concerned enough to go into shelter. Oh yeah.
What to do with the rain? Whoa!
Aww.
Oh man! You see that?
No, I was videotaping the stupid sunflower. This storm just won't quit. We thought it was going to be a quick passing storm, but it is not. You can hear all the ducks going crazy because we were waiting for this thing to pass before we went out into the yard and dealt with them, but whoa! We were getting some awesome lightning. I don't know if you can see all the bolts, the actual bolts. I know you can see the light, but they're all the birds. Their pen is just a swamp. They're just waiting for their food. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to them though. We're going to have to go out there with flashlights in a little bit. It's really not that late either. It's just shortly after 8, which usually about this time, this is not unheard of for us to go out and feed the ducks about this time because it's not too dark yet. But today is another story.